Dear students, welcome to the virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai. I am Jayashri Kunjar and this class is for Standard 2nd, subject Mathematics. So, let's begin.
Good morning students. How are you all doing? Hope you all are good. Today we are going to start new topic. It's stories of subtraction. We have already learned stories of addition. In this video, we are going to learn subtraction by solving subtraction stories. By reading the stories, we will get what information is given in the story. So let's start with the first example. Before starting the stories, let me tell you one thing. When there is words like left, taken away, given away, how many more than difference remained when these words they come in the stories, we have to use operation subtraction. Let's see one example first. Vaishali had bought 54 beads. How many beads she has bought? 54. She had 21 beads left after making a string of beads. She made some strings of beads and 21 beads were left after making a string of beads. So how many beads did she thread into the string? Now here what is given is the information about the beads she has brought and used to make a string. What is asked? How many beads she thread into the string. We need to find out how many beads were used to make a string. What to do? Obviously, subtraction. Let's write T and U, that is tens and units, over the box. How many beads were bought by Vaishali? They were 54. And the beads left were 21. So we need to find here how many beads were threaded into the string, and for that we are going to subtract 21 from 54. Let's start with the units place. 4 minus 1. Here we have 1, 2, 3 and 4. We have 4 beads. We reduced 1 from 4. That is 4 minus 1 is 3. So the answer is 3. Now let's move to the tens place. We have 5 minus 2. So we'll reduce 2 from 5. The answer will be get is 3. 5 minus 2 is equals to 3. So the answer here is 33. 54 minus 21 is equals to 33. Ms. Vaishali had threaded 33 beads in the string. Now let's carry out subtraction by the above method. Here 4 examples are given and we need to carry out the subtraction here. So let's start with the first one. It's 27 minus 13. Here we are going to count with the help of our fingers. Let's start from the units place. 7 minus 3. From the 7 fingers, you will have to reduce 3 fingers from 7. So, it's 7 minus 3 is equals to 4. And what about tens then? Reduced 1 finger from 2 fingers, that is 2 minus 1 is equals to 1. So the answer 27 minus 13 is equals to 14. Now see the second example. 37 minus 25. Let's start with the units. 7 minus 5 is equals to 2. And 3 minus 2 is equals to 1. 37 minus 25 is equals to 12. We'll see the third example here. It's 68 minus 34. Start with the units. 8 minus 4. It's 4. And 6 minus 3 is 3. So the answer is 34. 68 minus 34 is equals to 34. Let's see the last one here. It's 98 minus 40. Start with units again. We have 8 minus 0. And remember, 0 subtracted from any number is going to be the same number. So, 8 minus 0 is equals to 8. And 9 minus 4, it's 5. So, 98 minus 40 is equals to 58. Students, practice this subtraction with the help of your fingers. Let's move to another story. Anand read 28 story books. Sagar read 14. How many more books did Anand read than Sagar? Now here, what is given? Information about the books that are read by Anand and Sagar. And what is asked? Number of books read by Anand than Sagar. Means how many books Anand read more than Sagar. What to do? Subtraction. Let's write T and U. That is tens and units. Books read by Anand, they are 28. And read by Sagar, they are 14. And we have asked here, more books read by Anand. Let's use the standing line for the reduction here. Start with units. 8 minus 4 will reduce 4 from 8. The answer is 4. 8 minus 4 is equals to 4. Reducing 1 from 2 will get 1. So, 28 minus 14 is equals to 14. So, Anand read 14 more books than Sagar. Next question. Sudhir had 46 marbles. He lost 12 of them. How many does he still have? What is given here? Information about the number of marbles Sudhir has. What is asked? Number of marbles left with Sudhir after losing 12 of them. What to do? Subtraction. Let's start. Marbles Sudhir had with him is 46. And how many lost? They are 12. Marbles still left with Sudhir. They are, let's see how many they are. Start with units. 6 minus 2. Let's reduce 2 from 6. We have 4. 6 minus 2 is equals to 4. And in tens place, we have 4 minus 1. Reduced 1 from 4. We'll get the answer 34. So 46 minus 12 is equals to 34. Means 34 marbles are still with Sudhir after losing 12 of them. Moving to the next story. In a basket, there are 58 periwinkle flowers, that is Sadafuli, and 32 of hibiscus, that is Jaswan. Now, it is asked by how many are the hibiscus flowers less than the periwinkle flowers. There are 58 Sadafuli flowers and 32 hibiscus, that is Jaswan flowers in a basket. And we have asked that how many hibiscus flowers are less than that of periwinkle flowers. So what is given? Information about the number of periwinkle and hibiscus flower. What is asked? How many hibiscus flowers are less than periwinkle flowers? What to do? Subtraction. Let's start. Periwinkle flowers are 58 and hibiscus flowers 32. And it is asked that how many hibiscus flowers are less than periwinkle flowers. So these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 hibiscus flowers. We will reduce 2 from 8. It's 1 and 2. So in unit place, we have 8 minus 2 equals to 6. And in tens place, we have 5 minus 3. So let's reduce 3 from 5. 1, 2 and 3. The answer is 26. So there are 26 less hibiscus flowers than periwinkle flowers. Students, this is your homework. You need to solve this in your mathematics notebook. The question is, or the story here is, there were 16 bananas in a basket. Manpreet added some bananas to the basket, and then there were 29 bananas in it. It is asked that how many bananas did Manpreet add? So kids, solve this in your mathematics book. And thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.